tōku pāpa no Ngāti Tūwharetua, Ngāti Maniapoto, Ngāti Raikawa, tā tōku māma no Taranaki, kei tāmaki makaurau a haere noho ana, ko taku mahi, koe te teo nā kai mahi o tātai ahorau me kia core education. Ko taku turanga ki reira, koe te mana whakahaere o Kia Takatu ā-Matihiko. Ai, koe tēnā. Kia Takatu ā-Matihiko is a ministry-funded program. It's a professional development program. It came about as a result of the Ministry of Education strengthening the wahanga ako, the Hangarau wahanga ako within the marautanga. And we're primarily here to support kaiako Māori across our Māori medium sector to learn how to teach the new Hangarau Matihiko digital technologies curriculum content. Now, we are very different from many other PLD providers in the country. One, we are the only ministry-funded PLD program, and we are a free program. There is a big narrative going out, and primarily in our Māori medium sector, is that you have to use your PLD hours to access our program. That is not true. We are a free program, and you can access us directly. That's sort of a bit of a whakapapa behind the program. What the program offers is you can go through a group review tool for your kura, or a self-review tool, which we'll talk about a little bit later on the website, to ascertain or determine whereabouts you are across that continuum of development. So don't sit there whānau being scared or being matuku about this whole process. We've got something that will be available to you and your kura. We have helped many kura across the country. And like we've said, some have been really advanced and some have been a little bit, bit scared about the new development, and they've made huge progress. They've made huge progress. So you don't have to be a major computer scientist. This is not what this is about. This is about teaching you or helping you learn the new curriculum so that you can create the next generation of computer scientists. Prior to COVID, we had face-to-face meetups right across the country where we would deliver our workshop to kaiako Māori face-to-face. However, post-COVID, we've now gone to more of a webinar virtual delivery platform where we now have virtual webinars. Now, you can access those virtual webinars through our website. You can register, you can attend those webinars. They are all in real Māori, and they cover all of what all the curriculum content for Hangarau Matihiko, and they also talk to you about how to integrate this across the mahi that you're doing within your kura, within your teaching. If you're interested in co-designing webinars, particularly for your kura, or you might be part of a collective, and not only a small collective within our kura iwi, we're more than happy to talk to you about how that might look to really have a fit-for-purpose webinar for your kura and your kaiako. And we also have what we call Pico, our toolkits that are all on our website. You can access all those Pico, and what they take you through all the what we call progress outcomes within the Hangarau Matihiko curriculum, and they take you through the how to teach the actual curriculum content. And there's about 23 Pico out there for Māori medium to access, again all in real Māori, and not only real Māori but fit for purpose for Māori medium education. Yeah, there's two types of meetups or two types of virtual webinars. There's the actual, you can attend a webinar with the facilitator and talk with the facilitator and have a one-on-one, and that's normally about 20 to 30 people at the same time. So you will be engaging with other kaiako from different kura. And then we have our other type of webinar, which is called the Ask Me Anything, and what we call the AMA, on Thursday afternoons at 4 o'clock. And you can watch these, and these are live presentations from our Kia Takatu ā-Matihiko facilitators talking about anything and everything about Hangarau Matihiko. And you can come in there, and so you can just type in the comment any partai you have, and then we'll engage with you on the Facebook Ask Me Anything. In addition to that, we've also introduced a monthly panel to Pai Maramatanga with Brett Cribb, who is one of our subject matter experts, our mātanga and Hangarau Matihiko, that brings a whole lot of different kaupapa for Hangarau Matihiko. So yeah, there's 3 opportunities whānau. you can contact me directly, and I'll give Skye my details on how to do that. You can also contact the help desk, which is patai@kiatakatu.ac.nz, and I'll give Skye those details. Or you can go to the website or our Facebook page. Our Facebook page has heavy traffic as well, and we've always got somebody manning our Facebook page. We have a very much almost an instant response on our chat as well. So either way, but for the purposes of this kaupapa, I just want you to I want to make sure that you guys feel supported, and I'm more than happy to field any partai directly, and I'm more than happy to talk to anybody directly. I'm definitely open for that pathway of communication between us and you guys.